In this video, I'm going to show you how you can combine or merge PDF files or multiple PDF files. Now, as you can see here, I have two PDF files. I have this receipt 1 and receipt 2, and I like to go ahead and make them as one document. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now, to achieve this, all you need to do is to go to any browser. So I'll go ahead and open a new tab here and then go ahead and search for iLovePDF, just like that, and it will take you to this website called iLovePDF.com. Go ahead and click on it, and we have quite a number of options here to manage our PDF files. Now we are interested in merging PDF files or combining PDF files, so we are going to use this first feature called Merge PDF. From here you can go ahead and click on it, and you don't have even to sign up for you to perform this task. So if you want to sign up, you can proceed and sign up, or otherwise you can just proceed and click on Merge PDF. From here we have an option to select the PDF files that we want to combine. So I'll go ahead and click on Select PDF Files, and this will take me to my computer where I can find the two PDF files or multiple PDF files that I want to combine. So mine are under downloads, and you can see they are here. Receipt 1, I'll go ahead and click on it and then open, and receipt 1 has been uploaded. Here it is. Now to add the other receipt or PDF file, I'll go ahead and click on this plus, and then it will again take me, and I'll select receipt 2, and the two of them are now uploaded. So once we get to this, we are good to go. However, before you go ahead and merge them, you might want to go ahead and rearrange the order. So determine which one do you want to be or to come first. For example, maybe I want receipt 2 to come before receipt 1, or receipt 2 to appear on top or on page 1, and receipt 1 to appear on page 2. To do that, go ahead and interswitch the receipt or the files to the positions you so wish. So if you have several of them, go ahead and add, and then arrange them according to the order you want them to appear. Once it is done, now you can go ahead and click on Merge PDF. This will go ahead and combine all the PDF files that you have just uploaded on this tool. Once it is done, now you can download, and it will come directly to your computer. And now look at that, the two PDF documents have been merged and they are now available here. So that's how you can combine or merge several PDF files. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.